If you're shopping for someone into fitness or for someone who wants to get healthier in the new year, this video will save you a lot of money and guesswork. I'm a personal trainer. Believe it or not, this is not my real beard. And these are fitness gifts that I consistently recommend because people actually use them. Not just for a week, but long term. And before anybody asks this, yes, Santa definitely lifts. Item number 1, the TRX Fitness Trainer. The TRX is one of the most versatile pieces of equipment you can buy. The TRX is great for full body workouts and it's for beginners and advanced people. It works at home, outside, or while traveling. And it's really cool because you can get this one with a door jamb, so you can close it in the door and use it anywhere. You don't need a full gym to get strong. Consistency with something like the TRX will go a long way. Just a quick interruption, the Amazon links for all these items are in the description. All right, back to the video. Item 2 is resistance bands. Resistance bands work for almost anybody at any level. These things are great for mobility, strength, and rehab. You got a lot of exercises you can do with these things. They're super lightweight and portable as well. I got all these and they fit in this bag and it's like 5 pounds or less. These things are also useful with or without weights. The bands also come with a door jamb and you can do some pretty unique exercises with that. I use bands with almost every client. Warm-ups, assistance, and even full body workouts. Item number 3 is a massage gun. This thing helps reduce soreness a lot. You can massage muscles like your traps, shoulders, back, legs. It's great. It's easy for at-home recovery. Like you don't need somebody else to help you with it. You can do it on yourself. And this thing's weighted, so it's easy to kind of push into the muscles you want to push into. It's also great for busy people because you can do it like any time of the day and you can bring this thing pretty much anywhere. Training breaks the body down, recovery builds it back up. The next item is a Garmin Watch. If the person you're buying for likes tracking steps, runs, or workouts, a Garmin Watch is one of the best tools you can give them. Garmin watches are super accurate at tracking fitness data. It tracks heart rate, sleep, and activity trends. It helps with motivation and consistency as well. There's this little thing right here. It tracks how many miles you walk or run a day. You can set it to whatever you want, but I set it to running, and I love seeing this thing and making sure that I'm running a few miles a week or whatever my goal is at the time. You don't need to obsess over numbers, but trends keep people accountable. If you're not sure which one to pick, ask yourself, are they a beginner or experienced? Do they train at home or at the gym? Do they struggle more with motivation or recovery? That usually makes the choice obvious. I really hope this helped because all these items are things I use myself or with clients all the time. I also added links in the description, so if any of these items seem like something you want to buy for somebody, the links are right in the description. If this video helped you at all, please hit like. It really supports the channel. Comment below if you have any questions on any of these items. And subscribe for realistic fitness advice that actually works.